Hi, here is a quick demo of Solid Performance lead management software for manufacturing companies. With the help of this software, you can manage your leads, opportunities, clients, as well as contacts. You can also manage your income and expense, and you can also manage your attendance timesheet. We have provided you with lots of reports so that you can easily filter and get whatever data that you want in a minute. You can add multiple users with various user role and user permissions in the system. Let me start with dashboard. So in the dashboard, you will get to know the overview about your leads, like how many leads are received today and how many are fresh leads and assigned leads and follow-ups and all other things. You can also define target in the dashboard, and the achievement of the target also can be tracked from here. Along with that, you can also track the payment received for this month as well as the next month, so that you can understand what is the business flow coming month on month. Also, with the help of deal pipeline, you can generate a healthy deal pipeline for the next 1 year. This is really essential for business so that you can easily forecast your upcoming business for month on month. During the demo session, I'll show you how this deal pipeline is getting generated and how you can rely on this deal pipeline based on the factors whatever you have defined in other modules. Let me move on to the lead module. All the leads from various lead sources or whatever you're adding manually or whatever data you're having it in bulk upload, everything will be displayed over here. You can add a lead manually, or you can do bulk upload, or you can integrate all your lead sources like social media campaigns, Facebook, Instagram, your websites, landing pages, even other third-party lead aggregators like Just Dial, IndiaMart, Trade India, or any other lead sources with the help of our API capture. Let me show you how to add a new lead. You can simply click on add new and all the data will be visible here. In case if you want to add a lead manually, you can add it from here. Now the beauty about Solid Performance LMS is you can be able to manage all the fields as per your business need. That is, you can remove any unwanted fields. If you want to add a new field, you can get it added, and you can also modify the existing fields. You can change all the stage and status as per your business need in minutes. And the beauty is there is no need for you to contact us. You can do all these settings from your settings panel itself without any kind of technical knowledge. For example, if you're dealing with B2B as well as B2C categories, you can add one more category of field like B2B, B2C as a drop down, and you can have that data over here. Similarly, if you want to change all these category, you can change it. Like that, all these fields are easily customizable. Now, once the lead is added, all the newly added leads will be displayed here, and you can also assign the leads to your executives. In case if the leads are coming from any of the third-party integrations, you can also automate the leads directly to allocate it to your sales team executives. So there is no need for you to go and manually allocate it to your sales team. It will be allocated automatically. And once a lead is allocated or added, the system will send an immediate notification to the lead who made the inquiry, as well as the sales team member also will be getting a notification saying that a new lead is allocated. So you can perform a lot of automations like this, like whenever a new lead is received, you can send a welcome email or welcome WhatsApp message, and after 1 or 2 days, if you want to send the second and third and fourth mail, like that you can create a sequence of even 100 follow-up mails or lead nurturing mails and set it automated, so that the person who made the inquiry will receive the second message on second day, third day, like that. So everything is available in the settings under automations. So you can perform email, WhatsApp or SMS automations. Let me show you an example in email automation so you'll get to know all the possibilities of Solid Performance. I'm clicking on add a new trigger. So in here, if you want to add a lead, I'm defining like whenever a lead is created, then send an email to a lead. And you can define what is the delay. You want to send immediately or you want to send it after some time. And you can also have filters, like if the lead is received from referral, then you send this. Like that also you can define, and you can use shortcodes in your emails. Like if a person named Sam is making an inquiry, the mail will go like, hi Sam, how are you? We have received your mail, like that. And you can do additional automations based on the operations. Like when a lead is updated with a stage as discussion, then based on this, the mail will be sent. Like this, you can have n number of possibilities for defining the automation that will automatically boost your sales growth and your market presence. These automations can also be done for your deal module or opportunity module and client module as well as the contact modules. So once a lead is added, you can perform follow up with the lead by adding a follow up over here. So you can simply click on this timer and you can add the next follow up day, like when is the next follow up day. In case if the lead is telling I'm interested, share me a quote or something, or you fix a meeting with them, so then you can select when is the future follow-up day and what is the time if required, and you can change the stage from whatever it is. For example, if the meeting was fixed already and if you reschedule the meeting, then you can change it to meeting reschedule and spoke. You can write the comment, he is busy today. How to change the days. So I'm just adding all the update and then updating it here. Now what will happen is, on that particular day, on 5th, the system will give me a reminder here saying that I have to perform this follow-up. If you see here, there are totally 11 leads available. Out of that, only one follow-up I'm having it for today. And on the day, if you click on the view and go to the follow-up section, you will get to know what is the previous update that you have done. And not just that, you can also see the entire history of communication that you had with this lead. For example, if you have updated this lead 20 times, and the entire history of update for this last 20 times will be visible over here, so that you can understand what is going on with this lead. And being a manager or being a team leader, it will be very easy for them also to understand what is happening. In case if the sales team member is making a mistake, you can easily understand whatever the issues is happening or how you can close this lead effectively. In the details sections, all the default data will be there, and if you go to view 360-degree details, the system will be having more advanced functions, like you can be able to add notes, you can upload any related files or requirement details, and in the history it will show which are all the executives who handled this lead in the past. For example, an executive was handling this lead, and if he left the job, still all the data will be available, and you can simply assign this lead to a new executive. You can simply select all the leads over here, or you can filter the leads by that particular executive. And once you filter the data, you can simply select the new executive over here and you can allocate it to them. You can also do mass update as well as bulk emailing after filtering the data as well. So to give an overview about our lead module, you can be able to add all the leads manually, or if you have an existing data, you can do a bulk upload, or you can be able to do it via integration so that all the leads will come to the system directly, and you can automatically assign the leads to your executives. You can send automated emails, SMS or WhatsApp based on the requirement, and you can add follow-ups, and once a follow-up is added, you can perform the future follows by referring to the previous history. You can also reassign the leads if required. Now, once a lead is qualified, for example, a meeting is fixed and meeting is confirmed. So after that, the lead seems promising. Then what you can do is you can convert this lead into an opportunity. So when you convert a lead into an opportunity, you can have the deal value, like what is the expected closure value that you are expecting from this particular deal or opportunity. And along with that, you can also add the probability and the expected closure date. Now, based on these data is what your dashboard deal pipeline is being generated. So you're seeing this data over here, right? This is generated based on the opportunity values which is there for this month or for any other upcoming months and its probability. Now, similar to all the functions, whatever I have mentioned in the lead module, in the opportunity module also you can do lots of things, and you can do all the automations as well. Also, in the opportunity module, you can assign the opportunity to multiple team members. For example, in order to close this particular opportunity, you need an assistance from your manager or the team head or 2 or 3 persons. Then you can involve all the team members for making this closure to happen. In case if the marketing team is getting involved, you can involve them in this stage, so that everyone will be at the same pace and they will get to know what is happening with this particular deal or opportunity. Now, once a deal is qualified, again here also you can mark all the updates, and the previous updates from the lead also will get transferred to the opportunity module. So once an opportunity is qualified, or they are ready to make a payment, or they are ready to make a deal, then you can convert them into a client. Now when you convert them to a client, all the previous updates of the lead as well as the opportunity will get transferred to the customer module or the client module. In this case, there is no need for you to miss out any of the previous data, and it will be very easy for you to refer what was the previous communication that has happened. In case if you have given any commitments, everything will be visible over here so that you will not miss out any of the data. So once a client is added, in case if you are having any AMC or something, you can also have the due date, like when are you expecting this person for the next payment or next upcoming renewals, so that all those data will be visible over here in the client module. Also in the client module, you will be able to see when is the due date and the due end date, and you can also filter it using these available filters. And in our filter, you can also select multiple stage status or multiple executives to filter out any of the data easily. These filters are available in report section as well, so that you can filter and export the report as per your need in the exact way how you wanted. In case if multiple parties are involved, for example, in a particular company, if 4 or 5 executives are involved, then you can add all those contacts under a particular company. In this way, all the contacts will be linked to a particular client, and you will get to know which are all the executives who is in touch with them as well. So primarily in big cases, it is very important that you are in touch with multiple team members or multiple contact person of a particular company to get the deal closed smoothly. And that is the purpose of using this contact module, and you're linking that with your customer module. And as I told earlier, your sales team member can add their income and expense, and when they add the income and expense, even you can give an access to your finance team so that they can check and approve these payments. So as I told earlier, in the timesheet you can monitor your punch in and punch out time, like at what time they started for the work and what time they left the work. And we have a mobile app as well, so even if they are in the field, they can do punch in and punch out, and they can use all these functions whatever we discussed in the mobile app as well. So under the reports, we have given lots of default reports like overall report, update report, and other reports. Along with that, you can also create a new custom report based on your need. So under the users module, you can create various user roles, and you can assign various permissions or access restriction to these user roles. The account which I'm showing now is an admin account, and so all the modules are available. For example, if you have a telecaller and you want to give access to them only for managing their own particular leads, then you can give access to them for that particular role itself, so that they will not be able to see any other's lead. They'll be able to see only their lead, and they can work on that, and they can convert that into an opportunity. And when they convert that into an opportunity, they can assign it to somebody else, or they can add more team members to take care of it. In this way, you can give various access restrictions to various executives in your team. I hope by now you got a complete idea of Solid Performance CRM for manufacturing companies. In case if you still have any queries, you can get in touch with us using the link below, or you can create a support ticket, or you can even create a free trial account and explore our system for betterment of your company. Also, I can assure you that if you use Solid Performance lead management system for your company, you will see a phenomenal growth in your sales and conversion ratio within a short span of time. And with the help of lead nurturing, you can also be able to convert additional leads at no extra cost. That is the most important factor over here. I hope you found this demo useful. Make sure to hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel to get more future video updates like this. Thank you.